Okay? This Child of God is a production of the ICAF unit of St. Xavier's College. ICAF is like any other group, a parish group which St. Xavier's has. It's about the group about youngsters of St. Xavier's College who come together in order to discuss many activities, more so spiritual activities. And this time, under the leadership of Father Amiro Ruiz, the ICAF unit has put up this program, the Child of God, wherein it tries to tell each one of us that each one is a special child of God. No matter what our weaknesses, what our limitations, God still loves us. And we wanted to portray and we wanted to bring out this message to the public that God loves us, that each one is a special child of God, and we need to love ourselves, we need to take care of ourselves. On 1st December at St. Xavier's College campus, and on 4th December, this play was put up at Basilica of Born Jesus. I tell you that our students of St. Xavier's College, plus the teachers and the students of Crescendo Music School have put up efforts. During holidays, they came, they practiced, they gave a lot of efforts. I'm really grateful to the teachers, students, and the entire crew who has taken a lot of pains to put up this program, because we really wanted to give a strong message to the people in general.